Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition with what I believe is the best whey protein powder organic available out there. Say hello to FlavCity protein powder smoothie in chocolate flavor. Before we jump into the goodness of this protein powder, let's take a quick look at what makes it stand out from the rest. Packed with 100% grass-fed whey protein, collagen, and organic pea protein. This blend is a game-changer for anyone looking to boost their protein intake without sacrificing on quality. Now, what sets FlavCity apart is not just its premium ingredients, but also its convenience. No more fussing with blenders or complicated recipes. With FlavCity, all you need to do is scoop, shake, and enjoy. It's as simple as that. Each serving packs a whopping 25 grams of protein, making it an ideal post-workout refuel or a satisfying snack to keep you going throughout the day. And did I mention it's gluten-free and has no added sugars? Talk about guilt-free indulgence. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some of the satisfied customers have to say about their FlavCity experience. From silky textures to rich flavors, customers rave about the delicious taste and quality ingredients of FlavCity protein powder smoothie. It's not just a protein powder, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So, whether you're blending up a post-workout shake or simply need a nutritious pick-me-up, FlavCity has got you covered. With flavors like chocolate, butter coffee, and more, there's something for everyone's taste buds. That wraps up today's review on what I believe is the best whey protein powder organic on the market. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.